Hello friends, today we are going to start a tool Tableau. Tableau is a visualization tool. First of all, we understand what we visualize. Basically, we analyze data which is in huge quantity that we analyze. What is data analytics and data visualization? First of all, we understand this. For what we analyze data, for what we visualize data. Basically, today in industry scenario, in business scenario, we analyze the past data for future prediction for current decisions in our industry, for retail industry, like which product is giving more benefit, by which product we can gain much and much. So what we do, we analyze the past data, past season data, past year data, and we visualize the data. First of all, we understand what is data analysis, then we go to data visualization. What is data visualization? Basically, both are interlinked. Both are interlinked, data analytics and data visualization. Basically, data visualization is a picture representation of the data analysis. Because our brain capture or understand photos much. So by data visualization, we can understand insights of the data in much better way. So what is data analysis? First of all, according to Wikipedia, data analysis is a process of inspecting, cleansing, transforming, and modeling data with the goal of discovering useful information, suggesting conclusions, and supporting decisions making. First of all, data analysis क्या है? It is the process of inspecting, cleaning, transforming, and modeling the data into the particular format so we can gain the insights. We can gain some useful information from past data, so we can have some information how to handle the current situation, current good or bad situation in the future. Which parameter we have to analyze much, or which are the improvement areas of our business, which are the which can be a particular turning point for our business. So according to Gartner, leverage data in a particular function process to enable context specific insight that is actionable. It means from data analysis, you have to done data analysis in the way from past data that you can gain some insights for business process. So data analysis enables organizers to analyze all their data, real-time, historical, and structure, all type of data to identify patterns and generate insights to inform and in some cases automate decision, connecting intelligence and actions. Basically, what I tell you till now, data analysis is the process to analyze the past data, historical data, current data in the way so we can gain our business. We can benefit more and more to our customers. So data analysis is the process of compiling and analyzing the data for decision making and generating real time outcomes. Yes, what is the data analysis? Basically, data analysis is the process of analyzing data and give some decision which can benefit to the management, to the customers for making their decision for futures. And this type of data can be real time, historical, structure, current data, any type of data may be. So what is the data visualization? Data visualization provides a visual context of data using dashboards. What is dashboard? What is data visualization? Data visualization is a pictorial representation of our data for particular parameter, for particular season, for particular year. What is the dashboard? What is basically dashboard? Dashboard is often a single page real-time user interface and is graphical presentation of your data. Basically, dashboard is a single page which tells a story about any data, that how is the parameters are interlinked, how with season they are behaving, how with city they are behaving, how with year they are behaving, with time, with year, how they are increasing or decreasing. Basically, data visualization tells us this in the picture format. So we can say that both visualization and analytics are interlinked. Both have the your analysis of a given data set becomes sharper as you create better visualization. Yes, as we create visualization, data analysis much more insight. How? Because human brain is wired in such a way that it responds much faster to images than to words. It estimates that we process visualization up to 60,000 times better than textual information. All of we know that human brain stores picture, not data, not anything. Human brain understand pictures. Like for example, understand the traffic light. There are on all city red lights, there are some color code: red, orange, and green, which are for stop, ready, and go. Now, understand like this. We see on red light what color is denoting for what. If there are written in written words, stop, ready, go. So then we will take some few seconds to understand what is this. But by picture, by color, we understand in a fraction of second what is going to be done. So this is the reason that data visualization is much more important. So data pertaining to the adoption of social media and electronics can be easily represented with the help of visualization. Note that it is also important to come up with accurate reasoning for the insight that you generate. So we can't confuse by visualization. We understand the visualization much better. Human brain understand much better because color denoted for the particular visualization, particular ready, go, stop, give us give us much more insight, give us much more information about ready and go than written word. So that's why visualization is important. There are some merits of visualization. These provide insights into complex data sets, communicates the key aspect of the data set into the meaningful way. They may, the analysis on the data we do, basically it's a huge data. It can be millions of rows. It provides the basic information in easy way, but when we generate an insight for particular area with particular two parameters, for three, four, five parameters, then they gives us trend. What is going to be in the data with time, with season. So it's more important. So it's provide the required information in an easy way. It is the best platform for presentation. There are four important parameters for visualization, which are color, shape, size, proximity. Means color represent the different categories, shapes represent the various categories of the data, and size on the bar chart or an other chart represent the size what how much data that is particular bit is. Proximity refers to the closeness of the bubbles of the bar. Having similar categories, they are closer to each other. Having other categories, they are aparting, they are at some distance in the clustering formats. So we can say by this graph that understanding a data in format or understanding the visualization is much easy than data. What features we use: color, shape, different size, proximity we use for visualization purpose. So there are few tools in the market which we know by the name of Tableau, ClickView, and Power BI, which we use. There are Codephile too, but Tableau is much important in all of these tools. Why? First of all, we understand this. Tableau was invented in 2003. It is a widely used business tool. Why? Because it has an interactive features with intuitive dashboard which are helping to create the dashboards. Various companies like EY, Facebook, Deloitte use Tableau for visualizing data. It is used much more in any industry. Tableau we are using in 60% of the companies using Tableau than any other tool. Any other tool, which one tool? Like BI, ClickView, Codephile. Tableau uses in collecting and structuring data and then converting it into information based which decision can be made. Basically, these series is for Tableau, and we are going to start from here. What is Tableau? First, we understand what is data analysis and data visualization. So, there are some advantages which I am going to describe in coming videos. From here, you can I have mentioned Tableau public link. This is the free version. You can download from Google by googling this for your practice. This free version will help you understand all the business insights. There are very few limitations which you can't use by Tableau Public. Otherwise, for practice, for understanding, for gaining knowledge, this is very good. So there are some advantages which we are going to make this. Understand this in this uh, slide. Now you have understand the importance of data visualization and analysis. In this segment, you will understand why we have to use Tableau. Why this has very important aspect, because it has various features. Some of these are Tableau has several key features and functionality. It is easy to learn because of its simple drag and drop interface. This is almost no coding required. कोई coding की requirement नहीं. Interactive dashboards है. Visualization and dashboards can किसी के साथ you can share with your in your organization with your stakeholders. It offers cloud supports, means you can share. Examples of Tableau dashboard is described in detail on next slide. It's a dashboard for US locations for COVID-19 scenario, which is much more effective, which is much more effective, and which is much more at risk. So we have generated for US locations COVID-19 chart. So we can understand that Washington DC has maximum employees at risk. New York, it has less, and Philadelphia has very less as compared to other cities. Similarly, by age group, we have understand that there are various employees at risk and there are various employees which are not at risk. There are some parameters which may be age, which age is much more risk. So this is a particular example for Tableau. So we can understand that that we can analyze the huge data of a country, and we can describe this. We can describe this from a dashboard which tell a story about entire city, entire state, entire country. So that's why it is important. Tableau has various features and functionality which are it is easy to learn. We don't have to use coding. It's simple drag and drop. No coding required. It has interactive dashboards. Visualization dashboards can be shared in real time with stakeholders, with your colleagues. They cannot add it, but they can take information. It supports cloud supports as well. It offers cloud support as well. Tableau supports data in various formats, which are PDF, JSON file, text, and Excel. It means we can perform the analysis on such type of data, such type of files which are PDF, JSON, and text and Excel file. Even the data stored in different types of database can be integrated into Tableau. So from various databases, we can integrate the information into Tableau and we can visualize that information. What are the names of databases? These are MySQL, Salesforce, Redshift, Oracle, MongoDB, and Amazon Dataset. database. So we can create visualization using Power BI and Excel too. So in this video, in this slide, we are going to represent which one is much better. So Tableau versus Excel. Tableau versus Excel and Tableau versus Power BI. What are the advantages in Tableau over Excel? It is a data visualization tool. It is also a data visualization tools, but there are spreadsheet which we have to take much time to create. Tableau is a Tableau provides higher performance. It provides low. It enables the creation of lot of custom charts. मतलब Tableau में you can create number of charts or number of features, but Excel have its limitations. Tableau has less time to create dashboard, but Excel we need to have much more time. And Tableau we can integrate with R, Python, with anyone, but with R and Python we can't integrate Excel. There is no limitation of amount of data in Tableau. More than 1 million rows we can't visualize in Excel. So easily we can understand that Tableau is much better than Excel. And the last one, Tableau versus Power BI. In Tableau versus Power BI, what we can understand that which one is better. There are some advantages in Power BI too, and there are many advantages in Tableau. It is a primarily a business intelligence tool. Tableau used for creating reports. Yes, it's a primary visualization tool, business intelligence tool, but Power BI is a data analytics tool that allows you to perform ETL tasks, extract, transform, and load tasks and text mining. Yes, that is the main difference. And Power BI has access to limited types of data sources, but Tableau can be connected to virtually all types of data sources. And Tableau doesn't have any limitation on the data that we can handle in the workspace of the Tableau, but Power BI has a limitation of 10 GB. So this is also a main difference. Tableau provides higher performance than Power BI, but use of Tableau is costlier than use of Power BI. So this is the main advantages and disadvantages in both the tools, in all the tools. So from next, this is all in this video we have. From next video we will work on, in next video we will work upon on Tableau tool. We will analyze, we will install, we will generate more insights from the data. Thank you guys. I hope you will like this video.